How to fix video lag on Windows 11. 1. Run a video playback troubleshooter. 2. Disable 2 settings, process video automatically to enhance it and save network bandwidth by playing video at a lower resolution option. And set optimize for video quality to battery options. 3. Switch to high performance mode. 4. Change the graphics preference for the media player app. Like this. 5. Update, using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide, or reinstall the graphics driver. 6. Disable hardware acceleration in your browsers.